In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a Protonmail account from your current browser session by signing out of all accounts. This is especially useful if you've logged into Protonmail on a shared or public device, or if you just want to make sure none of your accounts stay signed in. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your preferred web browser and go to protonmail.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. Make sure you're on the official Protonmail website before you continue. If you're already signed in, you should see your inbox or the main Protonmail dashboard. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials so you can access the settings we'll need. Once you're on the Protonmail page and signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small gear-shaped profile icon. This icon represents your account settings and profile options. It may appear next to your account name or avatar depending on your layout. Move your cursor over to that top right area and click on the gear profile icon. Clicking this icon will open a menu related to your account. In this menu, you'll see various options, including settings and potentially a list of accounts if you use more than one Protonmail login in the same browser. Take a moment to let the menu load fully so you can see everything that's available. Within this menu, you should see a section labeled something like Other Accounts, or a list showing additional Protonmail accounts that are currently logged in on this browser. This is important because even if you're only viewing one inbox right now, Protonmail may still keep other accounts signed in the background. Look carefully through this section until you see the list of those other accounts. Next, on the right side of that Other Accounts section, locate the three dots icon, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. It usually appears as three small vertical or horizontal dots. This icon is used to reveal additional actions you can take that aren't immediately visible. Move your cursor over those three dots and click on them. After you click the three dots, a small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Among those options, look for the one that says Sign Out of All Accounts. This is the command that will remove all currently logged in Protonmail accounts from this browser session. When you choose this, Protonmail will sign you out everywhere within that browser, not just from the account you're viewing at the moment. Go ahead and click Sign Out of All Accounts. You may see a brief loading animation or be redirected to the Protonmail sign-in page. That's completely normal. Once this process finishes, all Protonmail accounts that were logged in on this browser will be signed out. To confirm everything worked, check that you're now on the login screen and that you're no longer seeing any inbox or account information. If you try to access your inbox again, Protonmail should ask you to enter your login credentials, which means the sign out was successful. And that's it. You've now removed your Protonmail account and any others that were active in this browser by signing out of all accounts.